All right, three, two, one, go.
Hi, my name is Ifat, and today, me and my colleague Isfahan will be talking to you about a Bitcoin price prediction system. Now, I'm going to give you the basic introduction, followed by the problem statement, and my colleague will be explaining the solution, as well as talking about certain segments of the business model canvas, and I will also be talking about the business model canvas. Now, as you know, Bitcoin is currently the leading global provider of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency allows users to safely and anonymously use the internet to perform digital currency transfers and storage. In recent years, the Bitcoin network has attracted investors, businesses, and corporations while facilitating services and product deals. Moreover, Bitcoin has made itself the dominant source of decentralized cryptocurrency. While considerable research has been done concerning Bitcoin network analysis, limited research has been conducted on predicting the Bitcoin price. Now, there are a few problems that come with this. Bitcoin is a decentralized electronic exchange system and represents a major change in the global financial system. But the stock market prediction is difficult due to its volatile and changeable nature, making its stability akin to gambling.
All right. Thank you, Ifat. I'll continue on the solution part. So based on our project, what we wanted to give the solution is a machine learning that predicts the Bitcoin price for the future. So what it does is that we take financial models from previous years and we apply it to the machine learning, and it takes in the model so that it can predict the price of Bitcoin for the future. Right, next. So here is the BMC, or the business model canvas. So I'll explain a bit about our BMC, especially on the 11 blocks. So for starters, the key partners. As Bitcoin, as we all know, it's more of a floating kind of cryptocurrency where no one is actually holding it that much except for a community that is supervising it in general. So that's for the key partners part. Next is the key activities. So as always, development on the prediction system takes time, and we need time to focus on the Bitcoin protocol and so on, and ultimately whether it can be implemented or to adapt to its changes. Next, on the key resources, of course, as always in any particular projects, branding, asset, and so on is very important. Of course, while Bitcoin is a controversial and most secure, arguably trusted brand in the cryptocurrency, but it takes time for us as well as top talents in coding for the prediction system and machine learning. Next would be our value proposition. So our value proposition is that users will be able to tackle the particular problem of price volatility, and they'll be able to predict on the signs of increase and decrease of Bitcoin prices, thus helping them in understanding the Bitcoin stock market prices. Regarding about customer relationships, the service will be fully focused on online for all users that have Bitcoin wallets. So as we know, Bitcoin has more than 42 million wallets that exist throughout the whole wide world. So expanding it is what we want to do. Next is that our customer segment is that usually we focus on these three major groups which are focused on using Bitcoin. One is investors that are using it worldwide. Then we also have the youth, which are very, very interested in cryptocurrency and playing this kind of things. And lastly are the cypherpunks. So these three groups are actually those people who are always utilizing Bitcoin, using it online to purchase things and do tradings and dealings and so on. So the system is open to all, and we welcome for anyone to use the cryptocurrency. Regarding about channels, we'll use all of our social media, web online, Discord, Telegrams. Even Telegrams have a number of groups on ICO, analytics, or news on Bitcoin and ETC actually. So Telegram is actually one of the best actually when people monitor Bitcoins. All right, thank you. I'll leave it to Ifat to continue on.
Thank you, Isfahan. In terms of the cost structure, the variable cost includes marketing and advertisement, software, website domain and host, as well as salary for workers. In terms of revenue streams, it's inclusive of advertising fees and subscription fees. Now, for the social and environmental cost, Bitcoin can potentially cause an increase in electricity usage if everyone got into the habit and process of Bitcoin mining. And this is, of course, bad for the environment. Besides that, there is a possibility if everyone switched over to Bitcoin that it might indirectly create a social credit system. Uh, this is because everyone will be a buyer and seller included on an online list, and their credibility as a seller might affect their credibility as a person. Now, for the social and environmental benefit, Bitcoin is more secure than regular online bank transfers. Therefore, in social terms, online scams become harder to perform due to security measures and encryption. For the environment, of course, if Bitcoin was used primarily, then there would be less of a need to print physical currency. So there wouldn't be a need to cut down more trees to have paper to create physical currency. Thank you.